Okay, just like in math, we learn how to do something and then we learn how to undo it. So last one I gave you an equation and you had to graph. Now I'm going to give you a graph and you have to get the equation. So I'm going to have to find an M and a B. So my B is where my line crosses the y-intercept, which is right here, which is 4. Okay? Then what I'm going to do is I am going to draw what is considered a slope triangle, and I am going to find crosshairs, and this is a crosshair and this is a crosshair. And what I mean by a crosshair is the dot has to have this cross behind it. It cannot have gaps. You cannot pick this value or even this value. Okay? And then what you're going to do is you're going to draw this, and you're going to say, hey, that's a negative slope. And I'm going to put that up there to remind me. And then I'm going to say this is equal. And then I'm going to count down from here. And I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 down. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And negative 6 over 4 is negative 3 over 2. And so I'm going to write it y equals negative 3 over 2x plus 4. In the computer, that's how you're going to do it. If you were in class, it would look like this. But because we have to protect our fraction, we're going to write it like that. And we're going to repeat the process a couple of times. Okay, so I'm going to find an M and a B. M and B. B is much easier to find, so I'm going to find it right there. That's where my line crosses the y-axis. That's why it's called the y-intercept. And then I'm going to find crosshairs, and I like this one and this one, and it's positive, so I'm going to go up first. I'm going to draw my little triangle, and it's 3 up, 1 right. 1, 2, 3. So it's 3 over 1, which is 3. So y equals, remember it's mx plus b, so y equals 3x plus 2. Oops, sorry, I didn't know you couldn't see it. And that is your final answer. Oh, this is a horizontal line. Horizontal line, I'm going to think of this acronym. And that says horizontal line, slope of 0, y equals a number. I'm going to say y equals, and it's sitting at negative 1, and I am done. And then this one finds my y-intercept, with my y-intercept being 4. M equals, M is how it moves, B is the beginning is at 4. I'm going to use this one and this one. It's positive, which means I'm going to go up first, and I'm going to draw my triangle, and it says I go up 1, 2, 3, and I go 1 right. So that is 3. So my equation would be y equals 3x plus 4. And that's how I do the equation.